Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, today's video is going to be on the Honda Pioneer 1005. As some of you know, if you followed my last video on it, I put the doors on, and I've noticed that I've had a lot of air coming around my shifter holes here where the full drive selector and of course the transmission selector is. A lot of air comes through there, so I wanted to slow it down. So my package come today from RAD Customs. So we're going to get these installed and see how how much wind this cuts down. So y'all stay tuned. Well, being that my Pioneer is camo and everything else, RAD Customs, which I'll show a link to their parts in the description below. They make these really cool shifter plates, and they've got them outlined in white. They're carbon fiber. They have a really close, you can see it's very tight for the shifter to go through. Comes with all the screws and hardware to drill your holes so that it'll stay on. This is the four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, turf mode, all that stuff. And of course, that's your regular shifter panel. But this has got to be a big improvement. I've seen several different people talking about, like in Canada, and different people have a lot of people from Canada that watch the channel, and we appreciate all of you. But they've talked about some of the things they had to do to enclose their cabs to make it warm because they have a lot colder weather than we do. And this is one of them. So get the camera situated, get our drill bit ready to go, and we're going to get to installing these. Now, this kit comes with really detailed instruction. Very easy to read, very, looks like they're straightforward. So it says, so number one will be that you will remove these knobs. And it actually says there will be resistance, but use constant force and slightly wiggle back and forth while pulling. So I guess we'll see how hard this is to get these off. Golly bum. Oh, I knew I was going to do that. Well, there's one. There they are. Good night. Those things are on there. Step 2 is place shifter plate over shaft and align with outer edge of original embossment. Drill, that says 1/16, not 1/8. I gotta change drill bits. Okay, so correction, it's a 1/16. I thought that was kind of big. And then this is your supplied screws. So, we'll push that through. Oh man, that looks good. It states on here, drill 1/16 hole in center of each screw point. Before drilling, make sure screw points are lining on the flat edge. If not, plate is not properly lined. So there's a flat edge right down through here. So you're going to make sure you want to go in the corners and line it up. And you can see on both sides it's kind of beveled down. So we're going to center it right over the flat edge, just like so. It's going to be, let me pull that over there. It looks pretty good. Okay. Now, I've got it all lined up. Make double sure. Okay. Take our supplied screws. Man, that really looks good. Crank it up. Put on the brake. Reverse. Neutral. High. Low. So there's that one. Really looks good. Now we're going to move on to go ahead and drill this one the same. So you're going to center. We'll put that in the middle. We're going to center this up best we can. Take your supplied screws. Gonna put our Phillips bit back in. Line it back up. There we go. Now that is beautiful. That'll really cut down on the wind coming through. Now it says put our knobs back on. So you can see how they're slotted. Just gotta push them till they stop. They're a lot easier to get on than they are to take off, that's for sure. Okay. And then there we go. That looks good. RAD Customs. Well, I hope this video was informative and helpful. Like I said, the main reason I bought these, and I've seen people talking on forums about them, the main reason I bought them was because I put the doors on and I'm trying to figure out where any more wind's coming through for winter. This was the main one. I actually carried a Sherpa toboggan around to put over the shifter. I guess I didn't notice as bad before when I didn't have these doors on. I guess that was the least of my worries, but I'm going to be doing some more weather stripping and putting stuff in the cab for winter. But these are from RAD Customs. I've seen them on forums. I wouldn't even have targeted this if it hadn't been for this situation. So I got the orange to go with the camo. It's kind of a hunting thing. I really like them, but they got multiple colors, and they ship pretty quick. I ordered them last Monday and got them today. So, and he had just got a shipment in when I ordered these. So if you like what we're doing, please subscribe and like. Check out the Honda Pioneer playlist. It'll be at the end of this video. There's a ton of informative videos on the Pioneer. And as always, God bless. We'll see you on the next video. See you.